Okay, part 2 of Amazing World of Gumball. So where's my 20? I don't have. Who are you talking to? Where's my 40? I don't have your 40. Oh really? The other beat you up. Ugh. Feel the pain. Yes, it does. That was Edward. He's making me do this.
Hey, don't blame stuff on me.
The straw power.
Don't blame your craziness on me.
I'm sorry.
Hello everyone. So right now we're at the Old Line Bistro for brunch. They already took the menus away, but
I guess I should jump in lava.
Kevin is acting like an animal as usual.
Not animal.
I don't know why we bring him in public, but yeah, we're all waiting for our food. I got the red velvet waffles. My mom got, I forgot, we'll see when it gets here. Edward got the omelet station, so he can unlimited get omelets and stuff, and we got unlimited mimosas. And my grandma got some type of salad and wings. I don't know. No, fried green tomato salad and wings. So yeah, we're waiting
For Kevin. Oh, there he is, right there.
The hot chocolate has what in it now?
brandy.
Oh man.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kevin.
It's cooked. It's not.
You got like 10 more years until you can start drinking. Or 11 more years.
Really?
Yeah, so we're just leaving brunch. It's snowing outside pretty darn heavily. Oh, somebody need to help my grandma put that in the back. Oh, Kevin got it. I'm just a little tipsy, you know, nothing serious. I had 2.5 mimosas, then I had 2 hot chocolate shots that had brandy in it, and the hot chocolate was good.
She lit.
It was pretty darn good.
Just got out of church and she lit already. That's crazy.
That champagne, man, it sneaks up on you.
You know hot chocolate too? Spiked hot chocolate.
Basically, I need to find that recipe. And I'm kind of sleepy from, you know, the itis, so it's just a mixture of everything right now. I'm just having a lot of emotions. Alright, you guys, so I don't know where we're about to go. I don't know, we're about to go to his house, my house, run errands. I don't know what he's trying to do, but it's snowing, so we'll probably, whatever we do, probably do it indoors.
We'll probably just chill, watch the football game. NFL and chill. Football and chill.
Football and chill. Yeah. Oh, I have some business to get to the bottom of, so we'll hit you guys later.
Out here with Bay, she's been giving me an attitude this whole time, this whole snowstorm. Okay. She's been giving me an attitude. This is what it's looking like out here in Bmore. On Towson, look at this. This is ridiculous. We got mounds and pounds of snow. Like, this is the worst snowstorm I've ever seen, been a part of in my whole life. Like, worse than Snowmageddon, all that. This is just ridiculous. We got cars covered up, can't even see them. You know, can't even see the streets out here. Look at this. She just tripped and fell and
I
slid.
didn't trip.
Well, she just was clumsy being
slid.
herself. She slipped,
Which is
allegedly.
normal.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That's not normal in this condition.
Yeah, I'm just saying, I thought there was a path, but there's no path, so it looks like we gotta,
What are you talking about?
there's a path?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I just said. Okay, let's see what we can do here.
we gotta walk
Back around? Alright, bet.
around.
Okay, we're gonna walk back around that way, guys. Because we don't feel like walking through this snow and getting it knee deep, you know. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, bad. Good job, babe. Teamwork makes the dream work. We're just trying to get to Fridays because we don't feel like eating cafeteria food. So right there's a lot of ice.
Rotisserie chicken.
What'd you say, babe?
Need to throw out that rotisserie chicken I got from Walmart.
Yeah, we
That
went
was
to
pretty
Walmart.
terrible.
And we got a rotisserie chicken from Walmart. That's our first time getting one from Walmart.
First and last.
Yeah, it was pretty bad decision. I don't think
Turn it on yourself.
Okay. I gotta get you on the vlog, babe. This is her second time falling. It's her second time falling. Got her again. Spent a lot of time on the ground. You okay, babe?
I'm fine.
All right, guys. We got. How's it look?
Okay, right there.
All right, guys. We got a rotisserie chicken from Walmart. It was pretty awful. It was our first time getting one. And look at all this ice right here. This is what we got to travel through. She's super clumsy, so we're trying to make it a
Why
Friday.
don't you gotta wait until we get somewhere safer?
You think so? I got your back, babe.
Honestly,
your
no,
back.
because I've already fell 2 times.
This is what we got to walk through, guys. I hope we can make it. Especially
I'll be
her.
uploading this vlog tonight because we don't have anything else
Yeah.
to do. So trust me, it'll be up today.
That's my school library over there. It's still open. All the kids can go in there. School's closed on Monday. We don't have school on Monday.
I don't have school Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, but she still has to work.
I don't know that.
So she'll be driving to work. I don't know. I'm gonna
I
try to
doubt
shovel her out tonight.
I
Actually,
doubt I'll be
probably
going to work. If this Baltimore County Public Schools is open, I still will not be going to work.
We'll see about that one.
We will see.
We'll see.
Because I'm not risking my tires aren't built for this. You guys know I have a very tiny car with very tiny wheels. Tilt it down a bit, I think. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, get it.
Oh,
You okay, babe?
with my tongue.
You got little squirrels?
I don't think I should have. Wear Uggs out here. I used to have rain boots,
Uh-huh.
and literally they magically disappeared.
Okay.
Literally.
Yeah.
So, I'm walking really fast.
This is fast. I'm trying to get there, babe. You know, but yeah, we do got to get there safely before you break your back or
And
something.
I'm not trying to break any bones.
You know.
Finish telling me about the rotisserie chicken.
Almost. We got a rotisserie chicken from Walmart. That was our first time getting rotisserie chicken from Walmart. And it didn't taste very good at all. It was slimy.
Your hand is in the camera on this side.
Dang it. It was slimy. It was barely cooked for real. It just wasn't a good experience at all. It was really bad.
Yeah, it was pretty.
Like,
And it's a huge chicken too.
yeah.
I'll show you when I get back. It's a really big chicken. And Edward wanted to buy some Tyson's chicken tenders, but I was like, well, we just bought this big rotisserie chicken. I don't want to have too much food, you know, for it to go to waste or whatever. And his freezer is really tiny.
Yeah, because I live in a dorm room or whatever, so.
So I was like, I think we should just stick with the chicken. But that was a big mistake because it was off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at these mounds of snow. Like, this is crazy. That's at least 7 feet tall.
I'm 5'9", so
Right. This is a 7-foot mound of snow right here.
even this snow. Damn, it's scared the heck out of me.
Yeah. We gotta ask public safety for a ride to Fridays, actually.
I'm
See, look,
enjoying this.
he's driving slow. Yeah, we almost got a little cabin fever today. Because she was acting crazy. You know, anything I said would just set her off, so.
Okay, you need to turn it to yourself. I don't think you want to see the road.
Yeah, I'm just showing these people the blizzard. What we experienced. I have a basketball game tomorrow. I don't think
it feels like an apocalypse. Like nobody else is out here.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in World War II.
My school right
what's
there.
that movie? My mom is always watching the Will Smith movie. What's that called again?
I Am Legend.
I Am Legend. Yeah, I love that movie. This feels like I Am Legend. If anyone is a survivor, we will be at Fridays. Come meet us. We're here. We're alive.
Oh, man. Yeah, like I was saying, I got a basketball game tomorrow, and the team we're playing is coming from New Jersey. We're in Baltimore, so I don't know if they're already here, like just chilling in the hotel, or what. But I don't even know if we're gonna have the game tomorrow, to be honest with you.
What time is it supposed to be?
3 p.m. So, is it still recording?
Your finger. Yeah, do you want me to hold it for a while?
Yeah. I'm about to stop it.
We're exiting out of his college. This is the entrance. So, we're almost there. Kinda. Oh, God, I'm so nervous. I really don't want to fall again. There's so much ice right here. Have mercy on me. On my soul. Black guys, have mercy on me. Cause I don't know. Okay, I need to concentrate. On phase 2 of our journey, we just exited out of the college and down this pathway. I'm terrified.
Almost there. I'm pretty hungry too, so.
I'm scared. Oh, you're walking really fast. You're walking really fast.
You want to sit down and take a break for a second?
Yeah, let me sit in a pile of snow, a foot of snow. Good idea.
But,
Ow. It's a Friday sign. Excuse me. Not so far. I mean, far, not far. So close, but so far. Right, this is an old people community. Oh crap! There's a what you call it coming?
almost there, man.
You need to get out the I really don't want to walk back because it's going to be pretty darn dark. And I'm not looking forward to that adventure. Alright, you guys, so I think we've seen enough. We'll let you know when we make it there.
Alright, we're gonna need to buy one.
We made it.
Show them how many people in there. It's packed.
Parking lot is... yeah, it's really packed. Not really. They're probably gonna think we're crazy
Probably.
for coming here.
My nose running. We can get on the top.
Is my nose running? Oh, the sidewalk is slippery as a mud. Alright, so we made it. I look so dry and terrible. Yeah, we made it. There's definitely not a lot of people here. My face hurts really badly. My face hurts super bad. It feels like I've been slapped in my face by a 300-pound hand. So that sucks. But yes, not a lot of people here, which I guess is a good thing because hopefully our food will be cooked faster. And yeah, we're watching the game. It's the playoff. Our food is here. So I got the Jack Daniel's chicken sandwich with sweet potato fries. I promise, after the snow, and once things get back to normal, I'm getting back to my good eating habits, because they have not been good during the snow, I'm not gonna lie. And Everett just got a burger, some fries. Whew, this is so good. So happy I don't have to eat gummy chicken. Flying chicken. What's my song? Alright, we're about to head out back in this snow. So I need to apply my Vaseline.
Right.
To give me a layer of protection, because my face felt like it was about to crack in half. Good morning. I know that we said we were done vlogging yesterday, but I just want to show you we're walking to our cars for the first time to see the damage, and I'm actually very terrified to see the damage 2 days later. This whole parking lot has not been dug out. Because as we were walking up here, I'm like, okay, we're not the only ones who haven't tried to dig out our cars. And I see why. There's no point. You dig out your car and you can't even drive anywhere. This is crazy. Ah! This is absolutely bananas. Nobody's getting out of here. You see, nobody has driven out of here.
Yeah, we're not getting out of this anytime soon.
Oh my God. Challenge. Ready, set, go. Come on, dive into the snow.
Or somebody wrote hi.
Oh, hello.
Yeah. Oh!
Why'd you do it right on the high?
Yeah, it's too cold. Chill, man, chill.
You said chill? Okay. Okay, I don't want to play no more.
Ooh.
Okay, let me get back to being angry. This is crazy! For some weird reason, Edward always does better the second half than he does the first half always.